Making money from home in order to have a continuous source of income looks to be one of those difficult goals. Making money online from home and earning the privilege to work in your pajamas full time is a lot more achievable aspiration now than it has ever been. Making money from home is not difficult to begin with the right company idea, a solid plan of action, and a lot of hard work. So in this video, we'll look at the top 10 methods to generate money online from home. But first, I want to welcome you to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is power, and you'd be wise to invest in it. In my videos, I show you the most accurate and up-to-date money-making techniques, ideas, and tactics. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell to be alerted whenever a new video is released. And please leave a comment down below if you loved it. And thank you very much for watching. Now, let's begin with 1. Fiverr. Fiverr is an online portal that's built to change how you and the world work together. It can connect your business with freelancers that offer digital services in more than 250 categories. Fiverr has 2 affiliate programs. One is self-hosted, while the other one is on the CJ Affiliate Network. Fiverr pays a fixed commission of $15 with the additional bonus of $150 for first-time buyers. But after that, you can earn depending on the category you choose. 2. Cloudways. Cloudways is a managed cloud hosting platform that enables you, whether you're a startup, business owner, or a professional working in agencies, to set up a server and deploy a web application. You can choose from 5 infrastructure providers: Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, Linode, Vultr, DigitalOcean, and choose the parameters of your cloud server and get to business within a few moments. The slab commission structure provides affiliates a unique opportunity to earn up to $200 a sale. This commission plan best suits performance marketers and media publishers. Affiliates can earn monthly payouts on achieving the $250 threshold by simply referring customers on a regular basis. 3. Pure VPN. Pure VPN is a commercial, virtual, private network service that allows you to select from 4 categories: stream, internet freedom, security or privacy, and file sharing. It has 2,000 servers that are in 140 countries, out of which 87 of them are virtual servers, making it easy for users to stream the internet without compromising on your device's data. Pure VPN's affiliate commission plan comprises of 3 major options: 100% commission per sale on monthly plan, 40% commission per sale on other plans, and 35% commission per purchase. Every time you reach $100, you can cash it out through PayPal and Wire. What's great about this affiliate program? You'll get timely payouts along with low barriers to sign up to the affiliate program. Every affiliate gets a dashboard to track sales and commissions. You, as their affiliate, will also get prevent alerts and campaign notifications, so you can prepare to scale your earnings. 4. GetResponse. GetResponse is an email marketing platform, and it enables you as a user to create marketing lists of prospects, partners, and clients so that you can develop relationships with your prospects and build a responsive and profitable customer base. With GetResponse, you'll earn through their affiliate bounty program or a recurring program. Their bounty program is more attractive as you'll get $100 every time you refer someone to create an account. You can use 4 of their packages that include Email, $15, Pro, $49, and Max, $165, and Enterprise, $199. You can also track results through your mobile phone or laptop browser on their mobile-friendly panel. 5. Shopify. Shopify is a software-as-a-service shopping cart solution through which you can create an e-commerce website. It has a content management system that can help you manage or add products, process orders, and much more. Shopify lets you earn $58 every time a user signs up for a paid plan using the affiliate unique link. Furthermore, you can earn $2,000 for every entity who signs up for the Plus Plan membership. 6. BigCommerce. BigCommerce is an e-commerce website builder that enables users to build their online store. This e-commerce solution can enable you to set up your store, add products, and make money through it. BigCommerce's affiliate program gives you the chance to earn 200% commission through their bounty program when a customer pays for the first month as an enterprise customer. Here's how you'll be earning by promoting a product category or even an item. With BigCommerce, you can earn industry-leading commissions that can help you strategically grow your online visibility. You'll get powerful tracking tools, dedicated affiliate managers, and pre-designed promotional material. The standard plan is $60 per item, the Plus plan is $160 per item, and the Pro plan is $600 per item. 7. Clickbank. Clickbank is an affiliate marketing network that's known for multiple digital products such as ebooks, videos, and software. If you're a vendor, you can track sales, list your product, and create your very own product online through Clickbank's system and become visible to other affiliates. An incredible catalog of digital products offering high-converting recurring commission affiliate programs with a threshold of $250 biweekly payouts. Clickbank sells its products on a subscription basis, and this means that affiliate marketers can continue to earn month after month as long as the customer continues their subscription. The best part is that you can cash out your earnings through check, direct deposit, wire transfer, and Payoneer. So that's the convenience you get with Clickbank. 8. Pabli. Pabli caters to you if you're in need of an automation system to earn through recurring billing. If you have a software as a service or a subscription-based service, this automated billing system can help you simplify the billing and invoicing process. Pabli is a simple email marketing solution that promotes itself through its affiliate program. Currently, you have the ability to receive your earnings only through PayPal, though Pabli has been talking about opening up other payment gateways soon. Affiliates can earn 30% commission for 1 to 10 sales, and 40% for 11 to 20 sales, and 50% for more than 20 sales. The recurring model works as long as the customer stays on Pabli. 9. Teachable. Teachable is a uni-platform solution where you can create and sell courses online. This platform works as a solution that handles web hosting and payment processing, so you can focus on building awesome courses. A comprehensive platform for creating and selling online courses with more than 7 million users and 34,000 plus active courses, Teachable provides an incredible learning experience for business owners, startups, agencies, marketers, freelancers, and more. 10. Convertkit. Convertkit is an email marketing software that works wonders for creators. You can grow your online business and use its automation to track your subscribers. Convertkit is known for its email designer and integrates well with multiple platforms like Demio, Gumroad, Stripe, and Teachable. Convertkit's recurring affiliate program will allow you to earn 30% commission for every sign-up. They have a great recurring model where you'll be getting 30% of the sign-up plan every month, so long as your referred person keeps their Convertkit account active. And if you love similar content, don't forget to take a look at my other videos. And stay tuned for future videos.